Okay, so good afternoon. I am Sir Brian M. Marie from Lipay National High School, and I am here again to teach you the lessons on Introduction to Set, Part 2. So, itong Part 2 na ito comprises of the lesson, notations, and symbols used in set. So, napakaraming notations and symbols na ginagamit sa set. So, I hope that you will listen well and have a good understanding of our lesson para hindi kayo nalilito sa mga nakikita or nababasa nyo sa inyong mga last or module. So, let's go! So, in this lesson, so mapapansin na meron tayong apat na part. So, we have here the symbol. Next is yung meaning of the symbol. Next is an example. And of course, the last one is how to read kung kasama na yung symbol. So, let's start. Ayan. Uli, our lesson is notations and symbols. So, the first symbol is the symbol for element. Ayan, yung parang E, pero walang kanto. So, what does element means? So, element means that it belongs to a given set or a member of a set. So, once you see this symbol, it means that the element is part of the set or within the set. So here's our examples. If the set A, if set A is equals to the element of 5, 10, 15, and 20, then, yun yung symbol, 5 is 5 element A. Ayan yung symbol sa kabila. How to read? 5 is an element of A. So, here, we have 10 is an element of A, 15 is an element of A, and 20 is an element of A. So, sinasabi lang that when using this symbol, itong letter E na ito, ayan, sinasabi that the element belongs to a certain set. So that means yung ating first symbol. Okay. Next. Our next symbol is called not an element. Okay. So ang symbol na ito is para siyang E again. Parang yung element kayo na. Pero may slash na sa kanyang part. So ang basa dyan sa symbol na yan is not an element. Okay, so we go to the example. If set A is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, then, walang number, 7 is not an element of A. Bakit not an element? Kasi wala naman si 7 doon sa binigay na element ni set A because ang set A comprises of the element 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, 7 is not an element. At ang gagamitin ng symbol is yung symbol na ito. Kung meron tayong kailangan gamiting symbol. Okay? Next. Next. So, notation naman to. So, notation of cardinality of a set. Ayan. Ang symbol na ginagamit is N, open parenthesis, tapos yung name ng set. So, alam na natin yun mula sa first week nating discussion, and close parenthesis. So, what is the meaning of cardinality of a certain set? So, cardinality means that it is the number of elements in the set. Okay, yung pala yung sabihin ng cardinality. Ilan ang set na nasa loob ng set? Ilan ang elements na nasa loob ng isang set? Okay, example here is the set A comprises of elements A, E, I, O, and U. So, set A contains 5 elements. Yang A, E, I, O na yan. Therefore, the cardinality of set A, which is N, open parenthesis, A, close, is equals to 5. Ulitin ko, kapag sinabi natin cardinality, kung ilan ang number ng element sa loob ng isang set. Yun ang kanyang cardinality. Okay. So, nakuha yung tatlo. Next, notation symbol natin. Ayan. The symbol for equivalent set. Ayan, itong parang equal sign na wavy. What does equivalent set mean? So, equivalent sets. Two sets that contains the same number of elements. Ayun, parehas silang cardinality. Okay, example. Set A comprises of the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. And set B comprises of the elements M, A, T, and H. So we can see that both set contains 4 elements. Therefore, we can say now that A is an equivalent set to set B. And this is the symbol. Okay, madali lang. Equivalent set means the two set contains the same number of elements. Next symbol. Ayan, the symbol for equal set. Ayan. Para siyang equal sign. Actually, equal sign siya. So, pero sa set, equal set ang kanyang meaning. So, equal set is two sets that contains the same element. Okay. Kaiba ito dun sa equivalent set which contains the same number of elements. Equal set, sinasabi that kailangan parehas mismo yung nasa loob ng dalawang elements. So, we have an example here. Set C comprises of the letters A, E, I, O, U, and set D which comprises of the letters E, O, I, U, and A. So, mapapansin nyo that set C and set D contains the same elements. Kaya, ang symbol na gagamitin mo is yung equal set symbol. C is equal to set D. Okay, next. Ayan. Letter C na merong underline. Ang tawag dyan is subset. Okay. So, what does subset mean? So, kapag sinabi natin subset, every element in A is also an element in B. Yun. Dapat yung set A mo, nakapaloob lahat ng element sa set A, is nandoon din lahat sa set B. Okay, take for example, number 1. Ayan. The set of 9, 14, and 28 is subset daw ng set na 9, 14, and 28. Same set. So, yun. Therefore, subset niya. Ito. Next, example 2. If set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, yung ellipsis natin, and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ayan. So, if we're going to describe set A, so set A is the set of all positive even numbers, samantalang ang set B naman is the set of positive numbers. So, we can say that set A is a subset of set B kasi lahat ng number na makikita mo sa set A ay makikita mo rin sa set B, nasa loob ni set B. Okay. So, A is a subset of B. And the symbol is ito. C na merong underline. Next. Ayan. Kung meron tayong subset, syempre meron tayong not a subset. So, subset siya pero may slash uli sa gitna. So, it is not a subset symbol. So, what is not a subset? So, it means that set A does not belong to set B. Okay, ganun pala yun. Yung mga element ng set A, hindi mo makikita kay set B. Example is ito. If set A comprises of the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, walang dot yan, and set B comprises of the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, then A is not a subset of B. Bakit? Kasi tingnan natin, yung set A natin, as we can see, lahat sila yan even numbers. Samantala yung ating set B, lahat sila yan ay odd numbers. So, wala kang makikitang element ng A sa B. Therefore, A is not a subset of B. And the symbol for that is ito. Okay? Kaya? Of course, next. Ayan. Proper subset. Meron tayong subset kanina. Meron tayong not a subset. Here we have proper subset. So, letter C yung kanyang symbol. Ayan. So, kapag sinabi nating proper subset, there is at least one element in B not included in A. Magulo, pero makinig. So, kapag sinabi nating proper subset, dapat merong isang element yung second set mo na hindi mo makikita doon sa first set. Take for example, this one. Set A comprises of the letter A, B, and C. Samantalang ang set B comprises of the letters A, B, C, and D. Ayan, mapapansin nyo na lahat ng element ng A, B, C, ay element din ng B. Pero, ayan, there is an element sa B na wala sa A. At ang element na yon is D. Therefore, si A, proper subset siya ni B. Okay? Liwanag yun? Set A is a proper subset to set B. Next symbol natin. Ayan. Kung meron tayong proper subset, meron tayong not a proper subset. Okay, so ito siya. C na merong slash ulit. Ayan. So, not a proper subset, the elements in C are equal to the elements in D. Ayan. So, dapat parehas sila. So, lahat ng makikita mo kay C or set C ay makikita mo rin kay set D. Ayan. So, we have here C comprises of the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and set D which has the element 1, 2, and 3. So, we can see that all elements in D are also elements in C. Kapag nagkataon, ang gagamitin mong symbol is not a proper subset to D. Sorry, D yan, hindi B. Okay, next. Ay, last two. Next is yung symbol for empty set or yung tinatawag nating null or null set. So, ang symbol niya is 0 na may slash or yung open at saka close brace lang. Walang element na laman. That is the symbol for empty set or the null set, which is actually null set or empty set is a set with no element, walang laman sa loob. Walang imposibleng laman. So take for example is this is set M is equals to, sabi niya, ayan lang, open and close braces lang. Therefore, null set, walang lamang element sa set M. And how to read? Set M is an empty set or a null set. Okay? And the last one, ayan, yung tinatawag nating universal set. Okay. Ang symbol niya is malaking U na walang paa or wala yung pababa na guhit. So, U. Meaning, universal set is the set of all possible elements in any set. Okay, so we have the symbol U. How to read? Universal set. Okay, thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe for more videos. So, stay safe. Kaya nyo yan, class. Kung may question, magtanong sa akin. Okay, so wear your mask kung lalabas. Good luck. Huwag ma-stress. Bye-bye.